Helmet holder. Step 1, 8mm round bar. Hacksaw a notch in that sucker about 45 degrees. Bend, 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 bend. Weldy, 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 weld. Then finish with a file. Wall bracket 50mm by 50mm. Scribe a line 10mm from 2 of the 4 corners. Then punch it like it owes you money. Drill. Bigger. Countersink optional. Draw across, then punch it again for good measure. Drill the centre to 8mm. Or maybe even 8.5. Cut rod to length, overall 100mm. Stick hook in hole, then plug weld from behind.